Hello, my name is Andrea Wong, and the following material was written by me alone and represents my own personal opinions on this topic regarding the Web 2.0 website, Flickr.com. The purpose of Flickr.com is for the accessibility of photo management and sharing application. One is able to post his own photos that he took onto this website and create a world of similarities in regards to personality and through photographs. The user is allowed up to 10 megabytes of monthly uploads for free, and with a purchase of $60 per year, the user can use up to 1 gigabyte of monthly uploads. This is actually the foundation of what makes Flickr.com a Web 2.0. Flickr provides social networking services as well as blogs, wikis, information sharing, etc. One can accomplish such capabilities through various ways. For example, when a user fills out information about him in his profile, such descriptions are used to find other users with similar interests. Through this feature, one can essentially add friends and new contacts who share such interests to their Flickr account. Another example may also be that the user can share photos and comment on others' images. This is a great way to network and connect with other people. For instance, I passed by a portrait of a woman who looked beautiful in a picture, and the administrator of a group called Portrait and Artistic Photography asked if he could include her picture in their group. Essentially, perhaps a Flickr's long-lasting endeavor of becoming a model might find himself or herself in an instant career change by looking wonderfully photogenic on Flickr.com. These are only a few of the attributes that make Flickr a Web 2.0. Ultimately, this site holds many social networking aspects with a user-friendly interface and allows the freedom of how one can manipulate the creativity of this particular web design. The more I explored this website, the more I appreciated what it offered. At first, I thought that the only relevance of this website was to upload photos and share them. Just by looking at it, the website did not seem much different from something like MySpace or Facebook. However, I browsed through the tabs more, and every time I found new, fun features that make this website so much more unique and rather interesting. In particular, there is a feature called Explore, of which one can select a place on a map and view pictures from that place. This is done by Flickr users who simply visited those places and posted their pictures from those locations. With this feature, one is able to basically travel to places they want to see by looking at pictures from those areas. In addition, the weather and current time of that place is also listed, which helps customize the feel of that area a bit more than just by observing the image. I felt that having the time and weather helped give me a more sensual experience of that area in the world. A lot of the images posted are extremely beautiful. I looked up Greece and saw pictures that almost look professional if they weren't already. I find this feature very neat and helpful because as a student I am considering to study abroad, and looking at these photographs from different parts of the world provide me with credible knowledge of what it would look like there as travelers themselves have taken these photos. Thus, this feature gives me a sense of experience of what it would be like there, and as such I can add photos that I particularly like and really enjoy to my favorites. I also like how I can add a new batch of sets of photos from the previous photos I have used in other albums. I like this because instead of searching it back on my computer, I know it is already in an album that I can just drag it to create a new set and easily reorganize the message I want to convey in each set of photos if I feel like it. I might be going through different experiences of life, of which sorting out my photos differently will allow me to portray a different theme of the album to express my present life a little more accurately. I think I only found one thing that slightly bothered me, which was the tagging. I liked how I was able to tag people in my images. However, unlike Facebook.com, it does not match the tag with where that person is in the image. On Facebook, I am able to find who, for instance, Jimmy Phillips is from the list of tags by placing my mouse over the person in the image, and his name will appear next to that person. Unfortunately, Flickr.com does not offer this feature, although this is not really a significant flaw. In regards to research reviews, I did come across a review that one did claim that Flickr.com was not, quote, as communal as DeviantArt.com, but always great photos, end quote. Nevertheless, for the most part, the reviews have said they love taking photos, receiving feedback, and that one can find anything on this website. Generally, reviews have rated this site a 9 or 10 out of 10. Ultimately, Flickr.com is a fantastic Web 2.0 website as it is user-friendly, anyone can learn how to use it, and it is a rather addicting social networking hobby. I feel that browsing through the photos found through this website and the unique features it allows you to do inspires the user to utilize the website in effective ways, especially for the enthused photographer. Thank you, and I hope you dive yourself into the many features that this website has to offer.